Are you looking at purchasing term life insurance? It's important to understand what your options are when you're looking at life insurance. Should you buy convertible term life insurance or non-convertible term life insurance? I'm going to give you the top 5 reasons why you should consider purchasing convertible term life insurance over non-convertible term life insurance. And there are some pretty clear benefits as to why you should be looking at convertible term life insurance. So, without further ado, let's jump into it. So the number 1 reason why you'd be looking at convertible term life insurance is for the flexibility. Convertible term life insurance allows you to purchase whole life insurance or another permanent life insurance strategy without having to go through any additional medical underwriting. So you're locking that in for the lifetime of the coverage of the policy. This is especially important for somebody who may have a health change. So if somebody purchased a convertible term life insurance policy, it's a 20-year term policy at the age of 30, and 15 years into the policy, they had a health change. For example, they may have diabetes, they might have been significantly overweight, it could be cancer, right? Any of those health changes can significantly impact your ratings on a life insurance policy. If you're locking that in with a convertible term life insurance policy, it allows you to convert that policy at the rates that you got when you were 30 years old without any medical underwriting. So that's a huge piece of it. A non-convertible term policy will not allow you to do that. It is what it is. Which brings me to my second benefit that I want to talk about with convertible term life insurance, and that is that it locks in your insurability. This is especially important when planning for the future. You never know what you're going to be recommended to get by a CPA or an attorney. I can't tell you how many people have come into my office and said, hey, my attorney recommended that I get life insurance. They may be 55 years old at the time, they may not be healthy, and I have to sit there and tell them why they can't qualify for any life insurance. But if they lock in that convertible term life insurance when they were younger, 30, 35, 40 years old, then that's an easy option. It's a very easy segue to do with convertible term life insurance. The third major benefit to a convertible term life insurance policy is the financial planning aspect of it. All you have to do is convert the term policy into a different strategy, and depending on the strategy you're looking for, it may be high cash value life insurance to invest in alternative assets. It might be a high cash value life insurance policy to create tax-free income down the road in retirement, or it may be a legacy play and you may want to leave behind a death benefit for your children or another beneficiary. The fourth major benefit to convertible term life insurance is the cost effectiveness of it. Convertible term life insurance is really not that much more expensive than non-convertible term life insurance. We're talking about a few bucks on $1 million policy. So it's extremely important to look at all of your options. Make sure you understand your options. Look at both. Look at convertible term, non-convertible term, and then decide from there, because the benefits of having that convertible term life insurance policy far outweigh the $3 a month that you'd be saving with a non-convertible term life insurance policy. The other thing you want to make sure that you vet is the insurance company, because if you're converting that life insurance policy, you want to be able to convert it into a top-notch permanent life insurance or whole life insurance strategy. So make sure you're utilizing a life insurance company that has convertible term life insurance that allows you to convert into any of their permanent products, and those products are very efficient in terms of accumulating cash value of the policies. Which brings me to my fifth major benefit, which is future financial needs. You never know what you're going to need in the future. Convertible term life insurance allows you and gives you the flexibility to be able to convert into any sort of strategy that you may need. It may be for personal reasons for your family, it might be for investment reasons for yourself, or it could even be potentially a business reason like a buy-sell agreement in a business partnership. So in conclusion, there are some major benefits to utilizing convertible term life insurance. It is extremely flexible for your financial future, it's very cost effective, and it allows you to convert into permanent life insurance strategies down the road. Even if you're not wanting to necessarily start those right away, it gives you the option to be able to convert into those kinds of policies, and it gives you the ability to convert into those policies at the health rating when you got the convertible term life insurance. So when you're 30 young, 35 young, 40 young, and healthy, purchase that convertible term life insurance, and then you will benefit from that over the next 10, 15, 20 years, depending on the insurance policy. As always, you want to make sure and consult with a professional. Make sure you're reaching out to somebody who is a professional in this area, utilizing life insurance. Make sure they give you a variety of options and show you the benefits of convertible term, non-convertible term, and like I said, you want to make sure that the permanent products that they're utilizing in the life insurance company are efficient products as well. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Turn on the notifications so you don't miss another video, and we'll look forward to talking again soon.